I'm Marcus Vale. Yeah, you've never heard of me, but turns out fame doesn't help when the water stops working.
Remember those people who said, "I'll figure it out when it happens"? Yeah, they figured it out for about 3 days.
And tonight's weather: toxic wind from the north, radiation drizzle from the east, and 100% chance of regret if you forgot to prepare. Classic forecast.
People used to say, I don't need survival skills, I've got common sense. Yeah, common sense was the first thing that died out here. This is my new home, 1 bedroom, 0 HOA fees, great ventilation if you like surprises.
Fire used to be romantic, now it's like, congrats, you survived the night. Different kind of mood lighting.
This says long shelf life, which is great, because everything else expired, including society.
People used to laugh at preppers, like they were overreacting. Turns out, they were just early.
Used to argue about bottled versus tap, now it's like, does this kill me slowly or immediately? Good news, this fixes that. This replaces like 10 tools, which is great, because carrying 10 tools while running for your life really kills the vibe.
If you're still waiting for things to go back to normal, that was the joke. AlwaysBeReadyUSA.com.